Omo basomu ya mwancho murigere rwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo bwansu bwo mugusingwege na ritko lya ondigendrete ko bali toyere kegima na nene no gendrete kwego kya kubwate mirobiri yose yegetaseni kya Ndizi TV ekerorire ritko lya Ijuma stariki 30 cy'umutinyo kyanda umwaka wetiri Ibere na 2022 kerabonorire ritko lyo moyo lyo mutinyi okyanda ritko lya lero boigo ense ya Kenya nige kubwatrana ne Chinsa chinde elyo gochengera abagotu chinga kingiye kero cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere jinga kingo kwariganira inkomanye narayaya na kwariganire SMS ya Amayia asenchera ere yobwenge koko nyori abana nabakogendera gotobwati asensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube nigora tonyaro wetera Ndizi TV News nabogo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yaito otobwati wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke eryo togendere gusanga na ya manke ono kwarigania ase Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere eryo tariane Everline Osero olitokobwatana nere kwenekia onsi ya wikera sensemu imanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta kabana ntugikomo eryo Mwanchi umurigere bonongo kwa riganito chake kurwase county ya Kisii awase serikali ya county ya Kisii amone nyagetari ya Kisii teaching and referral KTRH aritko lya rero banyorire chikonini kurwase ekyombe kya Amref korengano muteneri bwamangana ye chanjo ase serikali ya county ya Kisii Christine Mumanyi nigo atebire bina chikonini cyo nigo kirachego konya abana inchi anene kurwase county ya Kisii anene ase ogochanchwa ebinyinyi byenyama ebigendrete koeneki wa ase Chinsemo au imeyense ya Kenya.
Tariana ni gonkuru wa Christine Mumanyi jeni gondre ni chanjo ase county ya Kisii lero ni watu watiri tuko tutagete go sherekea ekero Amrefu Health Africa bago chigotoa tablet babwate na bakiri kinyinga kegangani 3 bago chigotoa egera abantu baito bali bakora recording ya mangana COVID-19 vaccination egere chikokonya abantu baito igo bono asengenje yegentekyo lero twasangirekanire gaiga abantu batabane betukuru Nairobi abande be county gaiga egere bintego byande bakuru ase Amrefu bota Kisii county egere bichikokonya abantu baito
Mwancho murigere unoroboti togenderete gukubwateria ntochi okumanyia mangekero kirarage Chinsa 10 ense mona boigo Chinsa 3 cia mugoroba tugotigana nayo nigo omoteneneri bw'ekyombe kya Nairobi Metropolitan Services NMS da John Mbadi abeire gakobakirambia mono bali bonsi babeire bakubwatirana nere eryo kurwo bokorera iboro buya asaba menyi be county ya Nairobi eniga yakwa na chinga kichoko ena na bene oboteneneri bw'ekyombe kyo kya serikali ya county ya Nairobi eyo ekorawa no Governor Johnson Sakaja asino wanyana bateba na korwa chingaki obotenenero bwacha geteni go babere bagokora magendera mankemiye county ya Nairobi anene ase sector yobochenu na boigo obosombi bwa para.
So we leave behind a progressive city that holds a promise for future generations to come. I take this opportunity to thank the national government for giving me this noble responsibility for spearheading the transform of our great city in the capacity of DG of NMS. I extend my gratitude to national government, county government that we have worked very well, the Kenya Defence Forces and His Excellency Governor Sakaja and our various partners and stakeholders, as well as people of Nairobi for their trust and more importantly, their unwavering support and coordination that has led to this great achievement. I remain devoted to supporting the county government in the execution of its mandate and realization of the aspiration of people of Nairobi and Kenya at large.
Gukwana chinga kichyo kwarigania obotenene yobo mugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nigo akambia mono asali abere kagokoreka na kugania bamenyi be county ya Nairobi nabo igabara ibons ko bwaterana eryo kwene kyabuna Nairobi yabeire kegoska bosio.
I want us to see ourselves as one family, tasked with the gift of stewardship over the people of Nairobi. We made promises. We went to the people. I want to see all of us as partners in delivering to the people of Nairobi. Let's remember the common person in Nairobi. Nairobi is going to be great. This is Africa's capital, and we must make sure it shines. as a city of order, a city of dignity, a city of hope and opportunities for all. We want to make it easier for people to do business and not to stifle their business. Nairobi must be clean, Nairobi must be sparkling. I want to assure those that might be worried that there might be victimization or there might be favoritism, that everything we do will be based on objectivity. Even if you have been staff on the other side, come back home. If you have something to tell me, my doors are always open. You will get to me. But we will serve our people with dignity and with diligence.
Omana chiebi no monene Lady Justice Martha Koome niga moiroko boko Justice Eric Kennedy Ogola buna omo Principal Justice wekegambero kia igoro gose High Court koirari bagari aye Justice Lydia Achode oyoki netwego chiase ekegambero kia appeal Ogola nigo achorirwe magega yokobwa asobochori obwo bwa korekanite chitariki 15 chomutinyoiga ase Koome aganirie okobwatrana kwa bana chiebi na bonsi ase ekegambero kia High Court erokorwa bokoreri burobuya anena okuganyana kona chebina eriyo gokotanga ogochorana kwebina asekegambero.
The case of the High Court, you will continue to champion the social transformation through access to justice, our vision for the judiciary. As the principal judge and the team reader, together with all the judges, because we recognize all the judges, all the registrars, deputy registrars, and all the people who work in the court have a critical role to play as drivers of court of excellence in the performance and innovations to secure enhanced performance of the High Court. We work together, and I'm happy you have repeated that chain link mantra, that the chain is as strong as its weakest point, because you, as the principal judge, you will be as strong as the weakest link that you have. Every officer that you have working under you, you must pull together towards ensuring that we achieve our objective.
Nakobwatkana no mubaro bw'abantu bagenderete gwakono burere bwa Ebola ogenderete komentekana imeyense ya Buganda bono nigo county ya Mombasa yabekire mirobero yokoenekia bunango tangere oburwairo obwo aya niga enekiwe nabo bisakorwa sector yobo cheneme county ya Mombasa abo batere buna county eyo nigo era sekerengo kyogo ikerwa no burwairo obwo kubwatkana no gotara kwa bantu ase county eyo korwa ense ya Buganda nabo igo Chinsa chinde cheisko.
Mombasa ni mojawapo ya wale counties ama counties ambazo ziliwekwa on alert kwa sababu tuko na port, tuko na airport, tuko na buses ambazo zinakuja. Kwa hivyo tulikutana jana kama stakeholders tukae chini tuweke what we call contingency plan ya kuhakikisha kuwa tukipata case yoyote ya Ebola ama any suspected case tuna respond na tuna isolate. Kwa hivyo tulikaa jana tuka develop a plan on communication, tuka develop a plan on response wakati case imekuwa suspected either from the community ama airport ama port ama from any other place. Ni nani anapigiwa simu na ni timu gani? Leo hii kuna timu ya kwanza tunaita team A ambao wanafanyiwa training on how to respond and how to collect sample. Tuna train the health workers jinsi wanavyofaa kuvaa na kutoa zile protective gears, na tume identify this facility as mahali ambapo tukipata case tunatoa mgonjwa from the place tunakuja tuna isolate.
Unenchira ya moyo gokinya sector yobo chenu nigo county ya Nyandarua yanyorira mariogo ayo isaine chiringi milioni 15.5 korwa se kiombe gyokoena na amariogo imense ya Kenya ya KEMSA ayara chikwena no ase chinyagetari chionsi imeye county eyo okwana chinga kicho kwena no kwa mariogo ayu ase nyagetari ya engineer eyo gotoka ase sub county ya Kinangop imeye county eyo mugavana we county eyo Moses Kiare badilisha nigate una mbache konyora amariogande ayuarachi kororobia obokoreri bobo wenya ase county eyo.
Mambo ya universal healthcare, mnajua hiyo rais wetu Mheshimiwa Daktari William Ruto alisema hiyo ni lazima ishughulikiwe kwa bidii, na tunataka kusema tukienda miaka 2 inakuja, hayo ndio mambo tunataka kuona ya kwamba mwananchi wote wa Nyandarua mahali popote alipo atapata matibabu, atapata services za afya kwa njia ya rahisi, na ikiwezekana hata bila malipo kwa sababu tutakuwa tumeweka karibu watu wetu wote katika program hiyo ya NHIF.
Aborokia beskuru yo warimu ya Garissa nigo bakorero kurobekana askire bakwe murunganiria obotenenerio bobe bweskuru yo korengana barabo nigo emetienyi kyanda ya etirebono batarakanwa chibesa cyabo egento bateiro na nigo gekubeka amagima basa kongu asengencho na barabumba bwate amagania ibo bwente goikerania na bana nigo baborire serikali ya county ya Garissa ko bwaterana ne serikali nene ko ango ya engane yeru ko bakonya na barabo begenderere bya ase Mabo.
Kwa leo hakuna kitu wamelipwa na mtu ako nyumbani na anaambiwa wewe ulikuwa umefanya kazi kwa serikali miaka 20. Sasa itamsaidia nini ile miaka 20 yake ambayo alifanya kazi ya serikali? Tunaomba, tunalilia kwa rais. Shida ya Garissa Teachers College. Kama hakuna wanafunzi na wanaona college haiwezi endelea, afadhali ifungwe na sisi tupewe gratuity yetu tuende zetu.
Ile shida yetu sisi tunaongea ni njaa. Shida ya mshahara miezi 9. Sasa sijui sasa tunalalamika sana, tumegonga kila mlango.
Shida imeanzia kuna pesa ya inaitwa loan ndio wamebeba principal ya college, amejenga staff quarters, amejenga hiyo wall, na hiyo nini inakatwa kwa hiyo KCB, wanakata mishahara yetu.
Na sasa ile shida yenye tunaona hapa imesidi na iko juu. Tuko na watoto wanasoma, na hao watoto wananitegemea, na hao watoto wanategemewa na mashule. Tumbo inawategemea, shule inawategemea, na hata Red B inawatutegemea.
Omwanchi omurigereri bonaya negatiari na kwariganirite asemesa ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchira ere yobwenge kurende chikoraga Chinsa 10 ya munayenda mange no chikanyora na inda senchira ere yobwenge yandra gutwara oburigereri borobya ime ya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bo Gusii bayona bakogendera gotonyora se website yaito wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke asesemo ya Facebook tonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asesemo ya YouTube nigora tonyora wetera Ndizi TV News eri otogendere gusanga na ya mange konelia oburigereri borobya na boigo omubasoro motereru iretariane Everline Osero urtwa kubatrana nere kwenekia awekera sense mu imanyirerio nigakorokwa Joshua Auta.